Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to buy any crypto on your Phantom wallet with your debit or your credit card. Make sure to watch the video until the end, not to miss any important details, like and subscribe. So as you can see, currently right now we are on our Phantom wallet. And so to buy any cryptocurrency, all we have to do is click on the buy section, as you can see in the home page. And then from here you're going to select whatever cryptocurrency you might want to buy. So for example, let's go with Solana. Now, once you do so, you're going to select how much ever amount you would like to pay for. So for example, $50 worth of crypto. And then from here, it's going to show you the amount of method that you can use. So for example, we have MoonPay, debit card, Google Pay, or your bank transfer. So you're going to choose bank/credit card. Once you do that, click on continue. And then from here, it's going to transfer you to the MoonPay page where you can simply put in your credit card detail information and then click on buy. And as you can see, once you do so, it's going to show you that the transaction is complete. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.